Good morning, students. Now, today I will continue part C section, that is question number 27 and 28. Now, here question number 27 and 28 belongs to under which topic? Differentiation topic. In differentiation, there are several types of differentiation, namely that is composite function, implicit and explicit function, inverse trigonometric function, logarithmic differentiation, parametric functions. Among those, they may be asked two questions, that is question number 27 and 28 belongs to part C, particularly which topic? Differentiation topic, that is 3 mark. Okay, now we will discuss one by one problem in question number 27 and 28. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 27 ಮತ್ತು 28 ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗಿಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ 27th or 28th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಬಲ್ at the point C, at the point x equal to C, then it is also continuous function at that point. Means to prove that every differentiable function is continuous function. Every differentiable function is continuous function. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. Prove that every differentiable function is continuous function. Now you know the definition of differentiation. See, dy by dx is equal to limit of f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x as delta x tends to 0. That is the definition of derivative. Now here, if the function is differentiable at the point C, now here we know that f dash x, dy by dx is nothing but f dash x is equal to limit of f of x plus delta x. Here f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c as x tends to c. Both are same. The function is differentiable at the point x equal to c. ಇದ್ದಾಗ f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c. One way the function is differentiable at the point a. Mention ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a as x tends to a. So this is the formula for differentiable at the point x equal to c. Now to prove that this differentiable function is continuous function, you know the definition of continuity. Two conditions are satisfied. First one is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Second one is limit of f of x as x tends to a is equal to f of a. Instead of a, here c. Now we should prove that limit of f of x as x tends to c is equal to f of c. If this condition is satisfied, hence it is continuous function at the point x equal to c. Now ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, to prove that limit of f of x as x tends to c is equal to f of c. Okay, now this is the definition of differentiation. Okay, now consider to prove that limit of f of x as x tends to c is equal to f of c. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಾವು satisfied ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ then it is continuous at the point x equal to c. Now we consider limit of f of x minus f of c as x tends to c is equal to, this value can be written as, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? limit of f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c into x minus c as x tends to c. Are they same? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, x minus c multiply by x minus c. These two terms get cancelled, it will become same result. Clear? Okay, now that is limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c is equal to, split of the limit split ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? limit of f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c, this is one part, into limit of x minus c as x tends to c. Okay, now this implies limit of f of x minus f of c as x tends to c is equal to, in first limit, clearly comparing this with this is nothing but what? F dash x tane, correct? Into second limit, put x equal to c, x value substitute ಮಾಡಿ, definition of limit ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? The value of the given function as x approaches to c must be finite value. Put x equal to c minus c 0. Put x equal to c minus c ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ? x value c substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ c minus c 0, right? So this implies limit of f of x minus f of c as x tends to c is equal to f dash x into 0, 0. Then split it. Therefore, limit of f of x as x tends to c is equal to, c is constant, minus f of c goes to right side, plus f of c. So, limiting value, condition, second condition of limit, second condition of continuity, limit of f of x as x tends to c is equal to f of c. This means, hence, it is continuous function. It is continuous at the point x is equal to c. Okay, so every differentiable function is always continuous function. 3 mark questions, 27 and 28, 3 mark. Okay, so correct ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. ನಂತರ take numerator value, this is equal to this function. This result can be written as limit of f of x minus f of c by x minus c into x minus c. Extra x minus c ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, multiply by x minus c. Now split up the limit, but in first limit then nothing but f dash x. In second limit put x equal to c minus c 0, 0 into f dash x is 0. So limit of f of x as x tends to c is equal to, that minus f of c goes to right side, plus f of c. So if this condition is satisfied, we conclude that the given function is continuous function at the point x equal to c. Hence, every differentiable function is always continuous function. Okay? Problem question number 27 and 28 belongs to differentiation. Most important 3 mark. Practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ. If x into root 1 plus y into root 1 plus x is equal to 0, where x lies between minus 1 and plus 1 and x is not equal to y, prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole power 2. Before solving the problem, you must remember some basic formula for differentiation. Basic differentiation formula ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now here given data, which type of differentiation is given? Clearly it is implicit function. Implicit function andre y is not directly expressed as a function of x. y is equal to mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is explicit function. x ಮತ್ತು y ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is implicit function. Clearly it is implicit function. So first, to convert implicit function into explicit function, like y is directly expressed as a function of x, ಇದನ್ನ explicit function ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೇಗೆ? This implies x into root 1 plus y is equal to, ಇದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ, minus y into root 1 plus x. ಹೌದಾ? Then eliminate root eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋನು? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ x, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ದೆನ್ ಓಪನ್ ದ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್, x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು 1 x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ plus x square y is equal to y square into 1 y square plus xy square. ಹೌದಾ? This implies x square plus x square y, take equal on right side, minus y square minus xy square is equal to 0. Implies, rearrange, x square minus y square. Okay, ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಉಳಿತು, ಇದು ಇದು ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ 1x ಉಳಿತು, ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 implies x square minus y square is equal to, we can write x minus y into x plus y, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y, correct? Plus xy into x minus y is equal to 0, right? ಹಾಂ, ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ರೈಟ್? ಹಾಂ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ x as it is plus y plus xy. Among these two take y common, 1 plus x is equal to 0. Again rearrange, y into 1 plus x is equal to plus x, transfer it, plus x goes to right side, minus x. Now divide by 1 plus x, y is equal to minus x divided by 1 plus x. This is explicit function. Y one side, x one side. Y is directly expressed as a function of x. Such type of function is known as explicit function. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ dy by dx, ಸೊ y ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ y ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x, dy by dx is equal to minus sign as it is. It is in the form u upon v. You know the rule. Derivative of u by v formula, v as it is. v ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು, 1 plus x as it is. Derivative of u, u ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, x. Derivative of x is 1 minus u as it is, u ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು, x, into derivative of v. Derivative of 1 constant 0. Derivative of x is 1 divided by v square, denominator square, 1 plus x to the power of 2. Okay, that is minus into bracket 1 plus x into 1, 1 plus x, minus x into 1 x divided by 1 plus x whole power 2. Plus x minus x cancel. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole power 2. Very important sum, 3 mark. First ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ರಿಸಲ್ಟನ್ನು implicit function convert ಮಾಡಿ then differentiate. Clear students? Okay. Next problem, 27th as well as 28th. If y is equal to tan inverse of, y is equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x, then prove that dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 1 plus x square. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಈಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಟ್ಯಾನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ implies, by definition of inverse trigonometric function, theta is equal to tan inverse x. ಹೌದಾ? ದೆನ್ y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, y is equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square, that is tan square theta, minus 1 divided by x value tan theta. ಹೌದಾ? ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ tan inverse of 1 plus tan square theta, trigonometric identity, secant square theta. Square root of secant square theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sec theta, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? minus 1 divided by tan theta is equal to tan inverse of sec theta. Using trigonometric function we write 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, then further reduce it. Y is equal to tan inverse of, in the numerator take the LCM. LCM is cos theta, that is 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta. If you take multiplication, that cos theta goes to numerator, cos theta divided by sin theta. ಹೌದಾ? So cos theta cancel. Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, then again further reduce it. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta using submultiple angle formula. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು, 1 minus cos theta submultiple angle 2 sin square theta by 2. Whereas sin theta submultiple angle 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This is submultiple angle. So 2 cancel, 1 sin theta by 2 cancel, that is tan inverse of, ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು, sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, sin by cos, tan theta by 2. That is y is equal to tan inverse of tan, same category, vanish, that is theta by 2. Therefore y is equal to 1 by 2 into theta. Theta value is tan inverse x. We got y value. Y value ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. Now the question is prove that dy by dx. ಹೀಗಿದೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 constant into function. It is in the form c into u. Derivative of c into u is equal to c as it is. Derivative of function, derivative of tan inverse x, standard result formula, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. That is 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. That's it. That is the answer. Substitution method use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay students, similarly fourth problem, y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Find dy by dx. Again ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse ಇದೆ, ಇದು tan ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PU, that is in trigonometry. ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ tan ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Take x is equal to tan theta. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಬೈ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ y ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 3x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? divided by 1 minus 3 x square tan square theta, right? So that is y is equal to tan inverse of, clearly you know the formula, already you are learned in first PU, that is in multiple angle formula, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, using multiple angle formula, tan 3 theta. Therefore y is equal to tan inverse of tan vanish, that is 3 theta. Therefore y is equal to 3 theta value is tan inverse x, correct? Then differentiate derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 3 constant, tan inverse is function, it is in the form c into u. Derivative of c into u is equal to c as it is. Derivative of tan inverse x, 1 divided by 1 plus x square, that is 3 into 1, 3 by 1 plus x square. That is the answer. Okay, substitution method apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 in 27th as well as 28th question. If y is equal to sin x to the power of cos x, find dy by dx. Clearly it is logarithmic differentiation. Definition of logarithmic differentiation is Whenever there is a function of x in the index, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, then go on differentiate. Here clearly in the index it is variable, base is also variable, ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪವರ್. ಈ ಥರ ಪವರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ y is equal to log of sin x to the power of cos x. That is log y is equal to, properties of logarithm, log m power n is equal to n into log m cos x into log of sin x. ಹೌದಾ? Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Left side derivative of log y with respect to x. Derivative of log ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 by y with respect to different variable x dy by dx is equal to, right side here product of two functions, apply u into v, product rule, first function as it is, u as it is, into derivative of v, but here in v value is log sin x. There are two friends, first friend log, second friend sin x. Differentiate first friend, 1 divided by sin x into derivative of second friend, derivative of sin is cos x. First friend as first function as it is, derivative of second function plus second function as it is log of sin x, derivative of first function, derivative of cos x, you know, minus sin x. Now simplify, cross multiply, dy by dx is equal to, y goes to here, y into bracket cos x, cos by sin, cot x, plus into minus, minus log of sin x into sin x. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equal to, substituting the value of y, what is y value given, sin x to the power of cos x into bracket cos x into cot x, okay, minus log of sin x into sin x. This is the dy by dx. Okay. Similarly, sixth problem, same type, y is equal to log x to the power of cos x. Again, base is variable, index is variable. What can you do? Applying log. Therefore, log y is equal to log of log x to the power of cos x. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ log ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Then further simplify, log y is equal to, by laws of logarithm, log m power n, log m power n formula ಏನಿದೆ, n log m, n value cos x into log m value log x. Okay, then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Left side derivative of log y, 1 by y with respect to different variable dy by dx is equal to, right side here product of two functions, apply product rule, first function as it is cos x, derivative of v, there are two friends, derivative of log 1 by log x as it is into derivative of log x 1 by x, right, plus second function as it is, that is log of log x, v as it is, into derivative of u, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, then cross multiply, dy by dx is equal to, y goes to here, y into cos x into 1 cos x divided by x log x plus into minus minus sin x into log of log x. So dy by dx is equal to the value of y given log x to the power of cos x into bracket cos x divided by x log x minus sin x into log of log x. That is the answer. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಸು ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಎರಡು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇವು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಪವರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಬೇಸು ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಲಾಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. If it is only one term is given, idonde term ittu x power x is taking log. But here difference of two terms are given. Direct log use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಲೆಟ್ y is equal to x power x minus 2 power sin x. Here difference of two terms are given. Don't take log directly, take one by one term. Take first term, call it as u, x power x is equal to u. Second term, call it as v is equal to 2 power sin x. Then y is equal to, first term is u, second term is v. Now find the derivative, means we have to differentiate. Therefore derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Derivative of u with respect to x is du by dx minus derivative of u with respect to x dv by dx. ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2 terms are given. Don't take log directly, take one by one term. Take first term is equal to u, second term is v, then simplify. Now y is equal to u minus v, then differentiation both sides with respect to x, dy by dx equal to derivative of u minus v. Rule on derivative, derivative of u minus derivative of v. Now to find du by dx separately and to find dv by dx separately. Now first to find du by dx. Since u is equal to ಏನಿದೆ x power x, clearly base is variable, index is variable, applying log u is equal to log of x power x. So that is log u is equal to, properties of logarithm, log m power n is equal to n into log m, x into log x. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Whereas derivative of log u with respect to x, 1 by u with respect to different variable x, du by dx. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Instead of x, here u, 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, right side here product of two functions. Apply product rule. First function as it is x, derivative of log x, you know the formula, that is 1 by x, plus second function as it is log x into derivative of first function, derivative of x with respect to x, 1. Okay, now here x cancel, cross multiply, du by dx is equal to u into bracket 1 plus log x, right? So that is du by dx is equal to u value given data x power x into 1 plus log x. ಇದು du by dx. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ to find dv by dx, also v is equal to 2 power sin x. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಲಾಗು ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. log v is equal to log of 2 power sin x. That is log v is equal to, properties of logarithm, log m power n is equal to n into log m sin x into log 2, correct? Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log v, 1 by v with respect to different variable x, dv by dx is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್, ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಯು, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಯು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು log 2 as it is, derivative of sin x cos x. Don't apply product rule because 2 is constant, derivative of constant into function is equal to constant as it is into derivative of function. So cross multiply, dv by dx is equal to Cross multiply v into log 2 into cos x. This is dv by dx. Therefore, put those two values in equation 1. Hence, equation 1 gives ಏನಿದೆ dy by dx is equal to du by dx value x power x into 1 plus log x minus dv by dx value v into log 2 cos x. V value ಏನಿದೆ? What is v value? 2 power sin x into log 2 into cos x. V value 2 power sin x into log 2 into cos x. That is the answer. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲಾಗ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಡಿ, ಟೇಕ್ 1/1 ಟರ್ಮ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲಾಗ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಕ್ 1/1 ಟರ್ಮ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಯು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಲಾಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. If xy is equal to e power x minus y, find dy by dx. Now given data, x into y is equal to e power x minus y. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಗು ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು e power x minus y. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಲಾಗ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್, ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. Log x into y is equal to log of e power x minus y. Implies log of xy, laws of logarithm, log x plus log y. Log m into n is equal to log m plus log n is equal to, again laws of logarithm, log m power n is equal to x minus y into log e. Correct? So implies log x plus log y is equal to x minus y, log e value 1. This implies log x plus log y is equal to x minus y into 1, x minus y. Then differentiate both sides. Don't write dy by dx directly because it is implicit function. Explicit function idra andre y is equal to ittu andre you can take dy by dx. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, y ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ 1/x. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ y 1/y ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ dy by dx is equal to derivative of x with respect to x1 minus derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Now rearrange. Now this implies 1/x plus 1/y dy by dx. Take equal on right side. Minus 1 minus into minus plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Now take dy by dx common. dy by dx common ತೆಗೆದರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನೋಡಿ, 1/y plus 1. 1/y plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to, remaining term minus 1 goes to right side plus 1, 1/x goes to right side minus 1/x. In left side take the LCM, LCM is y, here multiply by y, 1 plus y divided by y into dy by dx is equal to, again right side take the LCM, LCM is here x, x minus 1. Cross multiply. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, y goes to here, y into x minus 1 divided by x into 1 plus y. That's it. 3 mark question. ಲಾಗ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಲಾಗ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ, ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್. Okay, if x power y is equal to y power x, find dy by dx. Look here, given x power y is equal to y power x. Observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, base variable, index variable, ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. So what can you do? Applying log on both sides. Log x power y is equal to log y power x. Right? Now properties of logarithm, log m power n is equal to n log m, that is y log x. Here x into log y. Okay, clearly it is implicit function. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Left side here product of two functions. Apply product rule. Product rule apply ಮಾಡಿ. Now first function as it is y. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. U into v rule. ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? Plus next ಏನಿದೆ? v as it is, log x as it is. Derivative of y with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to. Right side again product of two functions. First function as it is x. Derivative of log y with respect to x. 1 by y with respect to different variable x. dy by dx. Plus second function as it is log y into derivative of x is 1. Right? Then rearrange y into 1 by x, y by x, plus log x into dy by dx. Take equal on right side. Minus x by y, dy by dx. Minus into plus, minus log y is equal to 0. Next rearrange. Common ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ log x, ಹೌದಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ y into dy by dx. dy by dx is common is equal to, remaining terms goes to right side. ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ. Minus log y goes to right side, plus log y. Plus y by x goes to right side, minus y by x. Minus log y goes to right side, plus log y. Y by x goes to right side, minus y by x. In left hand side here take the LCM. LCM is y. LCM y ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. Here multiply by y. ಏನಾಯಿತು? y log x, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Minus x divided by y into dy by dx is equal to. Right side take the LCM. LCM is x. Here multiply by x. X into log y minus y. Okay, cross multiply. dy by dx is equal to, y goes to here, y into x log y minus y. Y goes to here, divided by x goes to here, x into bracket y log x minus x. Okay, 3 mark question, very important. x power y is equal to y power x. ಬೇಸು ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ dy by dx equal to y into bracket x log y minus y divided by x into bracket y log x minus x. Okay students, if x is equal to a into bracket theta plus sin theta, y is equal to a into bracket 1 minus cos theta, prove that dy by dx equal to tan theta by 2. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್. x is a function of theta and y is a function of theta. Now how to solve? You know the formula. Now find dy by dx. dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. This is the formula for parametric function. Okay. Now to find dy by d theta. Now to find dy by d theta. Since y is equal to a into bracket 1 minus cos theta, derivative of this with respect to theta, a constant, derivative of 1 0 minus constant into function ಇದೆ, derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. ಹೌದಾ? That is minus into minus plus sin theta. A into sin theta, a sin theta. Okay, 0 minus into minus plus sin theta, 0 plus sin theta, sin theta into a sin theta. Next to find dx by d theta. X is equal to a of theta plus sin theta, a constant, differentiation of theta with respect to theta 1 plus derivative of sin theta with respect to theta cos theta. This is dx by d theta. Therefore, equation 1 gives dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta. Dy by d theta value a sin theta divided by dx by d theta value a into bracket 1 plus cos theta. A cancel. That is equal to sin theta using submultiple angle formula. Remember, ಏನಿದೆ 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta submultiple angle formula 2 cos square theta by 2. Right? 2 cancel, 1 cos cancel. So that is sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 is equal to sin by cos tan theta by 2. So dy by dx is equal to tan theta by 2. Okay. Similarly, another problem. 11th problem. If x is equal to a into bracket cos theta plus theta sin theta. If x is equal to a into bracket cos theta plus theta sin theta and y is equal to a into bracket sin theta minus theta cos theta. Sin theta minus theta cos theta. Find dy by dx. 3-mark question. Again it is parametric function. Now how to solve? Now again you know the formula for parametric. Dy by dx is equal to formula dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Now to find dy by d theta and dx by d theta. ಮೊದಲು dy by d theta solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Since y is equal to a into bracket sin theta minus theta cos theta. Now differentiation of this with respect to theta. A constant. Derivative of sin theta with respect to theta cos theta. Minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದಾವು. theta cos theta product of two functions. Direct at a time differentiate ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. So apply product rule. First function as it is theta. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus second function as it is cos theta into derivative of theta with respect to theta first function 1. Okay, that is a into bracket cos theta minus into minus plus theta sin theta minus into plus minus cos theta. Plus cos theta minus cos theta cancel. That is a theta into sin theta. This is dy by d theta. Also to find dx by d theta, same type. Now dx by d theta, x is equal to a of cos theta plus theta sin theta, a constant into function derivative of cos theta minus sin theta plus again here product of two functions, two variables. First function as it is theta, derivative of sin theta is cos theta plus second function as it is sin theta into derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. Now minus sin theta plus sin theta cancel. That is a theta into cos theta. This is dx by d theta. ಇವೆರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Therefore, equation 1 gives dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta value a theta into sin theta. Dx by d theta value is dx by d theta a theta into cos theta. Correct? So a theta cancel. Sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. That is the answer. Most important. Maximum times repeat ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಇವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. These are parametric problems. Okay. Next problem if x equal to a into bracket cos t plus log of tan t by 2 and y is equal to a sin t, find dy by dx. Again it is parametric. X is a function of t and y is function of t. You know the formula, dy by dx. Find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta. So instead of theta here t divided by dx by dt. Okay. Now to find dy by dt. dy by dt is equal to, since y is equal to a sin t, derivative of a sin t with respect to t, a constant, derivative of sin t is cos t. Then to find dx by dt, dx by dt is equal to x is equal to a into bracket cos t plus log of tan t by 2, derivative of this with respect to t, a constant, derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Correct? Plus here how many friends? 3 friends. First friend log, second friend tan, third friend t by 2. You have to differentiate one by one. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇದೇನಿದೆಲ್ಲ tan t by 2 ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ log x, derivative of log 1 by capital X, that is tan of t by 2. First friend ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, into second friend is tan, derivative of tan, you know the formula, that is secant square t by 2, second friend. Third friend is t by 2, derivative of t by 2 with respect to t, 2 as it is, derivative of t with respect to t, 1. Okay. Then simplify, a into bracket minus sin t plus 1 by tan 1 by tan t by 2 is cot t by 2. Secant square can be written as 1 by cos square t by 2, because 1 by cos square is sec square, into 1 by 2. Again simplify, a into bracket minus sin t plus cot is equal to, using trigonometric function, cot t by cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2, cos by sin cot, ಹೌದಾ, into 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. Now 1 cos t by 2 cancel, 1 cos t by 2 cancel. So that is a into bracket minus sin t plus numerator 1 into 1 1 divided by 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. 1 into 1 1 divided by 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. Then further simplify, so dx by dt is equal to a into bracket minus sin t as it is plus 1 by, in the denominator you know the formula, 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2, sub multiple angle ಏನಿದೆ sin t ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, because sin t is equal to, using sub multiple angle, 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. Then further simplify, take the LCM of these two is sin t, here multiply by sin t, multiply by 1 minus sin t into sin t, sin square t plus 1, that is a into bracket 1 minus sin square t is cos square t, using trigonometric identity, right, divided by sin t. Therefore put those two values, equation 1 gives dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, dy by dt value a cos t divided by dx by dt value a cos square t divided by sin t. Correct? A cos square t by sin t. 1 a cancel, 1 cos cancel, 1 divided by cos t upon sin t, using trigonometric function, cot t. Cos by sin is cot, but 1 by cot tan t. That is the answer. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರು? ಇದು 1 ಆಯಿತಾ? cos t by sin t is cot t, but 1 by cot tan t. 3 mark question students. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 3 ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? 1 by 1 ಫ್ರೆಂಡನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ log, after that differentiation of tan, after that derivative of t by 2. Okay, problem again, parametric x equal to a into bracket theta minus sin theta, y is equal to a into bracket 1 plus cos theta, then prove that dy by dx is equal to minus cot theta by 2. Okay, it is parametric. Now you know the formula. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, because x is a function of theta. Now to find dy by d theta, since y is equal to a into bracket 1 plus cos theta, then derivative of a into bracket 1 plus cos theta with respect to theta, a constant, derivative of 1 constant 0, plus derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. 0 minus sin theta minus sin theta, minus sin theta into a minus a sin theta. Don't write a minus sin theta. Minus 0 minus sin theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta into a minus a sin theta. Next, to find dx by d theta, x is equal to a into bracket theta minus sin theta. Differentiate a constant, derivative of theta with respect to same term theta 1, minus derivative of sin theta with respect to theta cos theta. Put those two values in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 gives dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta, dy by d theta value minus a sin theta divided by dx by d theta, a into bracket 1 minus cos theta, a cancel, that is minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Now that is dy by dx is equal to, but to prove that minus cot theta by 2, again reduce the function, minus, as you know that sin theta submultiple angle formula, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, remember, divided by 1 minus cos theta submultiple angle, remember, 2 sin square theta by 2. ಇವನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 1 minus cos theta submultiple angle 2 sin square theta by 2, sin theta submultiple angle formula 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 cancel, 1 sin theta by 2 cancel, minus cos by sin ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cot theta by 2. That's it. So dy by dx equal to minus cot theta by 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ by using submultiple angle formula ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. sin theta submultiple angle 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, then 1 minus cos theta submultiple angle 2 sin theta by 2, then 2 cancel, 1 sin theta by 2 cancel, cos by sin cot theta by 2. Okay, if x equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta, then prove that dy by dx is equal to minus cube root of y by x. Again it is parametric because x is function of theta and y is function of theta. Now here you know that dy by dx using parametric, we can write dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, correct? Now that is equal to y is equal to a sin cube theta, differentiation of sin cube theta with respect to theta, a constant, it is in the form x cube, derivative of x cube is 3x square, here 3 sin square theta into another friend is sin theta, derivative of sin theta is cos theta, divided by dx by d theta, same type, a constant, derivative of cos cube 3 cos square theta into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, a cancel, 1 3 cancel, 1 sin theta cancel, 1 cos theta cancel, ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನೋಡಿ, minus sin as it is, sin theta divided by cos theta, tan theta. Call it as equation 1. Right? ಇದು dy by dx LHS ಆಯಿತು. RHS ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ y by x. y by x ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು cube root of y by x, simplify cube root of y by x. Cube root of y by x is nothing but y by x to the power of 1 by 3 ತಾನೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? cube root that is equal to, but the value of y, a sin cube theta, correcta? Divide by x value, a cos cube theta, that is given, whole power 1 by 3. a cancel, sin cube theta by cos cube theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, tan cube theta, whole power 1 by 3. Now apply laws of indices. It is in the form a power m whole power n. You know that a power m whole power n is equal to, what is the formula? a power m into n. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan power 3 into 1 by 3, 3 cancel, that is tan theta. Right? Correcta? Tan theta ಬಂತಾ ಈಗ? Now, so cube root of y by x is tan theta. Therefore, equation 1 gives dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to minus tan theta using equation 2, tan theta value ಏನಿದೆ, cube root of y by x. So dy by dx is equal to minus cube root of y by x. Cube root of y by x value tan theta ಬಂದಿದೆ. Therefore equation 1 gives dy by dx equal to minus sign as it is, the value of tan theta using equation 2, cube root of y by x. Okay. Next problem, most important. If x is equal to square root of a power sin inverse t, y is equal to square root of a power cos inverse t, then prove that dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Clearly it is parametric because x is a function of t and y is a function of t. Okay. Now prove that dy by dx equal to minus y by x. There are two methods. First method is by using parametric function to find dy by dx. Another method is you can differentiate directly. Now how to simplify? Now convert given data in terms of x. X value is given, y value is given. Now therefore multiply these two. X into y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, x into y, x value root of a power sin inverse t into y value root of a power cos inverse t. Now that is x into y is equal to, now first term, now a power sin inverse t call it as a power cos inverse t call it as b. It is in the form root a into root b. Root a into root b is equal to root of a into b, root of a sin inverse t into a cos inverse t. Right? So x into y is equal to root of, bases are same, apply laws of indices, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, a power sin inverse t plus cos inverse of t. So that is x into y is equal to root of a power, remember sin inverse of t plus cos inverse of t, standard result using inverse trigonometric function, its value is 90 degree, pi by 2. Sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is equal to pi by 2. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Left side xy, there are two variables, apply product rule. First function as it is, x into derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx, u into v rule, u into derivative of v plus v as it is, andre y as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 is equal to derivative of root a power pi by 2, a constant, pi by 2 constant, everything is constant, derivative of constant is always 0. Therefore this implies x into dy by dx is equal to y goes to right side minus y. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to divide by x minus y divided by x. Important sum, 3 mark. Okay, x is parametric function ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದೋಸ್ ಟು x into y ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ದೆನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್. Okay, very simple problem. Next problem, problem number 16 in question number 27 and 28. If x is equal to 2at square, y is equal to at power 4, find dy by dx. Again, clearly it is parametric 3 mark question. Now find dy by dx. You know the formula for parametric. Dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Correct? Then differentiate. Y is equal to at power 4. Derivative of y means derivative of at power 4 with respect to t. A constant, derivative of t power 4 formula 4t cube. You know that derivative of x power 4, 4x cube. Instead of x here t, with respect to t, 4t cube. Similarly, x equal to 2at square. Differentiation of this with respect to t. 2 constant, a constant, derivative of t square 2t. Derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, now here 2 into 2, 4 cancel, 1a cancel, 1t cancel, t cube divided by t, that is equal to t square is the answer, 3 mark. Okay, then whereas 17th problem, same type, x is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos of 2t. Prove that dy by dx equal to minus 4 times sin t. Again it is parametric. You know the formula. Dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Right? Since y is equal to cos 2t, derivative of cos 2t with respect to t. How many friends? 2 friends. First friend cos, second friend 2t. Derivative of cos minus sin 2t into derivative of 2t is 2. 2 friends. ಮೊದಲು cos ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, into derivative of 2t with respect to t is 2. Derivative of 2x with respect to x is 2. Derivative of 2t with respect to t is 2. Divided by dx by dt. Derivative of sin t, cos t. Right? So that is equal to minus 2 sin 2t divided by cos t. Then further simplify. Dy by dx is equal to minus 2 sin 2t using multiple angle formula. ಏನಿದೆ? 2 sin t into cos t. Sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2t is equal to 2 sin t into cos t divided by cos t. Cos t cancel. That is minus 2 2s are 4 sin t. Okay. Then finally last one, 3 mark question. Differentiate one function with respect to another function. 3 mark. Differentiation of sin square x with respect to e power cos x. How to solve? Take first term, call it as u. Let u is equal to sin square x. Second term, call it as v. Let v is equal to e power cos x. Then the question become, the question ಏನಂತಿಗದು? Differentiation of sin square x denoted by u. Differentiation of u with respect to e power cos x denoted by v. Differentiation of u with respect to v denoted by, to find du by dv. Clearly u is a function of x, not theta, not t. U is a function of x, v is a function of x. Clearly it is parametric. Now du by dv can be written as du by dx, not d theta, not dt, because here x ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. t ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ du by dt ತಗೋಬೇಕು, theta ಇದ್ರೆ du by d theta, but here u is a function of x, so that du by dx divided by dv by dx. Right? Since u is equal to sin square x, derivative of sin square x with respect to x. How many friends? 2 friends. First power and differentiate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 2 derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin square is 2 sin x into cos x divided by v is equal to e power cos x. Differentiation of e power cos x with respect to x. Again 2 friends. E power cos x into another friend. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Make it a standard form. E cos x capital X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವಾಗ e power capital X ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Derivative of e power capital X, e power capital X as it is into derivative of capital X. Capital X value cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Sin x get cancelled. That is minus sin as it is 2 cos x divided by e power cos x. That is the answer. So this completes question number 27 and 28 belongs to differentiation, that is 3 mark. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 29 belongs to applications of differentiation, namely increasing decreasing function, tangent and normal, maxima and minima. Okay, now we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.